You will only pay $2.45 open sole proprietorship in Alberta. And to do that, just below this video, I have shared my link. That's the affiliate link. Make sure you're clicking on the affiliate link. And if you're on laptop, this is how it is going to look. If you're on mobile, this is how the link will look. Make sure you're using this link. Once you click the affiliate link, you see you get 15% off automatically at the time of checkout. If you're going directly on the website, you don't see that 15% discount. So by clicking on the affiliate link, you come to this page and here you click get started now. Since you're starting new, you will click here new and then province you select as Alberta. Then click next. Here compare your option. We are going for sole proprietorship. In corporation, I have made a separate video. So we select sole proprietorship and here what your company will be called. So make sure the requirements are met, distinctive, descriptive. You can read more here and how that descriptive and distinctive is. That example is also given here. My company name is Cyber 40 Consulting. And once I enter this, you see I get a confirmation message. That means it matches and passes the preliminary search test. So once this is done, click next. This is the sign up page where you enter your first name, last name, email ID and password. I already have an account. In your case, if you're starting out, you will have to sign up. Once you click sign up, then you come to this page. You see Cyber 40 Consulting, that's the company name. So for sole proprietorship, and then you start filling in these details. First is account information where you enter your phone number and the address for the Alberta location. Then you check I'm a Canadian resident option. If you don't know what Canadian resident is, either it is a citizen or a permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So you can read more on this, and once it is done, you click next. Then on this business information page, my company will be sole proprietorship. This comes by default and the location is Alberta. Then the street address. Again, if it is not filled, you can fill this again. By default, it should get transferred from what you have given input in account information. And then my company will operate in, this is the drop down. From this, choose the closest industry to which your company is. So I have selected consulting and business. And once this is selected, click next. So this is the name confirmation from what was written earlier, showing and should meet the requirement. If it is not, then you will have to correct this name to meet this requirement. Once this is done, click next. Now you get a package overview of $49, which you don't have to pay as you will be opening a RBC bank account. If you don't want an RBC bank account, come to this next page. First, let me just show you the summary. The government registration fee in Alberta is $10, which is free here. Owner registration, once you have your RBC bank account, that gets free, and you have 60 days to open RBC bank account. If not, you pay this $49, which is remaining. So all in all, you pay only $2.45 by selecting RBC bank account. And once this is done, you click next. That will go to final review, check, recheck, cross-check. Once you confirm that everything is as per what you want and submit it, then this company will go and get your sole proprietorship registered, and then they will inform you over email. So this is about registration. Make sure you're using the link below to avail all the discount what I have shown. And also on my website, canadatriedandtested.com, you can go and check. I have organized videos, business in Canada, be it copyright, patent, business plan, financial plan. There's a long list. You can go and check those videos. Thanks for watching.